Hi guys, this is Abhiraj. Today we are going to discuss about a Python project which is related to a core game, and this core game is basically written by using pygame module, which is a Python standard gaming module. If you see the code, this is the module section and this is the initialization section. In this module section, pygame is the main important module which I am using here, and all the others are the basic standard modules. And coming to the initialization section, this states about the size of the windows, height, basic color, text color, background color, and frame rate, and different speed of the core, and movement count, etc. And coming to the functions of this project, there is termination, which is for quitting, waiting for player. For example, when you start the game, you need to press a key to start the game. So that is given by this function. And if you hit a car, if your car hits other cars, then that for that crashing, for the colliding, this function will be reacted, called. And this is for drawing the surface and sizes. And this part of the code is used for the basic setup of pygame, like setting of the window, mouse cursor, etc. And this is for font, and these three are used for the sound for the game. For example, this is the car engine sound, basic car sound, and this is the uh, if a car crashes into other car, there should be a sound which is given by this crash sound. And actually this game consists of 3 lives, so the game will be resetted 3 times even if you get out, if you even you crash the car. So at the end of the third life you will listen to a laugh sound, and which states like the game is done, and you can press again some key to reset the game. And this section tells about the different core images like yellow, blue, red, green, etc. And this code will begin the game. And this section states the controls of the game. For example, up, down, left, right are the basic controls which are given by K left, K right, K up, K down. And alternatively, you can even use A for left, D for right, W for up, S for down. And actually, if you see this two things, there are some two cheats to this game. One is Z. By pressing Z, which is like moving the car in reverse direction, which is kind of cheat. And X is for slowing down. You can see this better in the game than explaining like this. And this code is for movement of the car, and this is for game over section. Let's see how the game goes. Let me start the game, and here it goes. While I'm playing this game, maybe the sound will be bit loud. Game sound will be bit high. So uh, let me explain the things after the game is done. This game sound is very high, and score section is going up, top score is there, and reset of lives, and this is the crash sound. And coming to the cheats, if I press Z, you can see the car is moving backward, and if I press X, the game is very slow, so you can easily cross the cars and move to the top. But the only drawback of these two cheats is your score will be resetted whenever you release the key, like this. And this is the third life, which I am ending it, and you can listen a laugh sound here. That's it. If you press one more key again it will be restarted again. That's it, guys, about the game. It consists of three sounds which I mentioned, and you have listened to the laugh sound, laughing sound, which states the game over. Uh, that's it about the basic explanation of the game, and you can find this code below this video. Thank you, guys.